Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Ina Talks. I'm happy to have you here. It's a Sunday morning and I'm up. Usually you wouldn't find me up at this hour on a regular Sunday, but this time something's different. I'm filming a vlog, at least I'm trying to do so, and also I would like to have some pictures taken. So subscribe, press a like button for my lack of sleep. I have just had the loveliest experience of having my makeup done with a really talented and lovely makeup artist. It was so nice. It's just just take a look at this. You just have to see. Do you see? We spoke about extremely interesting things about communication, about cinematic work behind the scenes that is being done and nobody sees that. It's such a blessing that such amazing professionals are working in Ukraine, that they continue doing their thing, that they believe in their future, and that they are just bringing beauty and goodness into this life. The photo shoot is completed. I have very nice impressions. The photographer was very resourceful. She showed me a lot of different poses. We were trying to stay organized. It was really quick because it had only 1 hour and I changed a couple of tops. They looked pretty nice and there was a lot of light. I think the pictures will be very nice, at least I hope so. I have to say that I really like photo shoots. They are amazing, they're fun. Most of the time you have really nice photographs afterwards. You can use them for social media, you can use them for boosting your channel, boosting your account on Instagram or on TikTok, wherever you decided it to be. But the thing is that I realize it does take some effort, and those people who skip it, I understand them. I've already had some food in my stomach since 9 a.m. Right now it's about 4 p.m. and you understand the hustle. So at the beginning, I went to get my hair done, and after that, immediately I had an appointment with a makeup artist, and only after that I headed towards the studio where the whole thing was happening. And I'm absolutely not complaining. I'm really happy that I was able to pull it off, the whole process, the logistics. Everyone was really efficient. Nobody was late. Nobody failed. Everything went in accordance with the plan, and I drew a lot of pleasure from that. If I have any control freak in my blood, they are very satisfied and they're happy with this particular day. Finally, I had some cheddar soup and I had a chicken steak or something like this. Ooh, and now I can continue with my things. I'm still hoping to just relax, catch some breath today in the evening, maybe have some tea, have a conversation with my friends, just hang out with myself. I think that's something that will help me recharge and I will be able to continue. In case you would like to know how this whole thing was organized, I actually had an idea in my head, there was a picture, like a reference, and then I went on Pinterest to check through some images, how it could look. At first it was an idea of a street photo shoot, but it's a little bit too cold currently and I need to warm my organs. I want to keep them in warmth. So I transferred that image onto the studio idea and I prepared the references. I didn't have much clothes with me, but I made it work. I took a jacket that I bought here in Kyiv. I took a couple of shirts, a blouse, etc., etc. The whole thing was really nicely organized and done. So, how to prepare for a photo shoot in case you're planning to do so? You need to have an idea in your head how you would like to look,
how you would like the process to be organized. You need to talk to the photographer. You need to find the right photographer, the one that will be able to execute your idea. And it's also about the style, about a special signature, like that each photographer has. They do their work, so you can follow their accounts and check if you vibe with them, if you resonate with how they see other models, other people that they take pictures of, and that will give you a pretty good idea how this will be. Then you prepare the accessories, you prepare the like the rings, the necklaces, earrings, you prepare the shoes, probably you maybe gloves, maybe you want some vintage retro look on yourself, or something very casual. I was wearing jeans in my photo shoot today. It was the bottom, the only one that I was actually using. I was just changing the tops, that's it. I decided to simplify it a little bit. And after you put everything together, you check for the hairbrush, you check for wet and dry napkins in case you need to fix your makeup or anything else, maybe some hair clips, anything you might be needing. Of course, you need to think ahead and make sure that you put everything together. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for supporting my channel. Press a like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see each other very soon.